Hey guys, JJ here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you my backyard and my dog. This is my whole backyard. Everything's filled with flowers. This is the couch. These are my dog's toys. Through everything. And there she is! Ivy! Ivy! Ivy, come. Want me to come get you? I'm gonna go come get you. I'm gonna come get you. You better come. Come on. Why won't you want the pen? Come get the color pencil. You know you like it. Ivy, just come. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on, just sit. Sit. We just want to say hi. So, how's life? I'm telling you, how's life? You're so adorable. Come on, give me licky. Okay. Yeah, let me just turn it around. Okay, there. Now you give me kitty. If you guys got it, I'm just gonna check. So yeah, this is Ivy's doghouse. That's how you spell it, Ivy. I'll show you my birds. Okay, there you go. The blue one is blue. That one's Pikachu. I forgot what the white one is. But Ivy's the cutest. That's her squeaky toy. And that's the garage straight. That's the rest. That's the. Well, there you can see like the garbage. One's like all the way up there. My birthday present flew away. There's cactus over there. There's a table that flipped over. We're playing soccer. That's Ivy's porcupine. It's fake, not real. There's my Fluffy laying down. I'm like wearing like no shoes. So then that's why I'm staying off the ground, the dirt. I think she wants to be part of the video. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Is that good? Still filming? Ivy, come say hi. No, spit it out. Better spit it out. Spit it out. Spit it out. Okay, I see. It's like right there. Okay. Got it. Better not chew it up. Not chewing stuff, okay? People want to have a close look of you. Come on, no, over here. Okay. Sit. Lay down and look right there at the camera. Okay, look. Just look. Give them kisses. Give them kisses. So adorable. Now you give me a kiss. Why no kiss? Give me a kiss. Okay, thank you. So that was Ivy being nice all the time. You're so cute, Mama. Yes, you are. Look at her, look at her blue eyes. She looks so fluffy far away. Fluffy! We should have called you Snowy. We would have lost you in the snow. But we're not going to snow with you. Okay. We're not going. Okay? This is the slide. Ivy usually slides down there whenever we come. We have to teach her. What happened to your freaking watermelon? There's like ants everywhere. Oh my gosh. What happened to the flamingo? You let the flamingo die? Come on, Ivy. Go get it. Go get it. Okay, I'll make you get it. Come on. There you go. Oh shoot, you got an ant on your head. Just take it out. So cute, Mama. Just gonna sit down. Then watch Ivy play. Oh yeah, in my shower there's like a lot of ants. Man. Like there's like one like crawling like right there. It's so small you can't even see it. Ivy, why are you hiding? Why are you hiding? Where are you trying to hide from? Okay. I'm gonna put my feet right here because they're so soft. I'm gonna try to be friends with the cat. Hey, you wanna be friends? No. You wanna be friends? No. You wanna be friends? Yeah. Okay. I made a new friend. Do you wanna be my friend or sister? You better not eat that. You got ants. Come on. Go. That has ants. You're disgusting if you eat that. If I see you eat that, you're gonna die, bro. You're gonna die. It's like a watermelon. Like, why would you eat that if it had ants on it? I'll give you guys a closer look. Okay, there. And then, boom. See those ants? Ivy, you need Jesus. Look at the baby rose. Look at Ivy's house we built her. Look at that ball we play with Ivy. Look at all those plants dying. Thanks to Ivy. That's my neighbor's house. That's my other neighbor's house. Yay, he got a pool, but we're not friends anymore. That's our grill. These are my feet. These are my pants. This is my other leg. That's my dad. How are you, Ivy? There's not to be afraid, Ivy. You don't have to be afraid. My dad's friendly. ¿Estás bien, pa? Ivy, how are you? I said, how are you? How are you? You wanna play tug of war? Come on, let's play tug of war. Ivy! Ivy! Ivy, let's play tug of war. I'll use my feet. Ah! No, don't bite me. Get this. See this? Look. See this? Go fetch. Good girl. Now come over here and give it to me. Pa, mañana quieres vamos a agarrar las cosas para ir al cel donde está el church. Pa.
Mañana es jueves.
Thursday. ¿Sí? Sí.
Friday.
Mañana es Friday.
No, Friday es.
Oh, sí. Beautiful sky. There's everything beautiful. Except for that. That's deadly. You're my precious. You me precious. You me precious. You me precious. I mean, come over here and give me a smoochy smoochy. Where you going? You can't leave me here. No. Well, that'll wrap up this video. See you guys next time. Bye.